Hello. This is the first module for EdL and EdRead 350. Each week there will be a video like this one that walks you through an overview of that week's tasks for the block and as well as each of the courses. So first, if you scroll down, you will see this. Here are the list of block tasks. There's a 350 block course contract. So this is related to both EdL and EdRead 350. It articulates the expectations and policies for the block of courses. So you will read that and sign an initial. And if you click here on these pink words, it will take you to the assignment. There is also a video that describes that in more detail as well that you can watch. And then there's a link to the syllabi here. And the other block task for this week is the Getting to Know You Flipgrid. So to start to build a classroom community, it's important that we get to know each other. So you will click on this pink link and it will take you to the assignment in Google Classroom where you will read about what to do, click on the link to Flipgrid and create a video for you and your peers about you for your peers. There's a video to describe that in more detail. If you keep scrolling, you will see the assignments for the EdL portion that Dr. Shively will talk to you about in more detail. And then the pink block at the bottom is always going to be the EdRead 350 tasks and assignments. This week, there are 4 of those. First is to review the course policies, assignments, and expectations by carefully reading the syllabus. There's a video that goes over highlights of this here. And then the next is the conceptual framework review and analysis. So you will click right here to get to that assignment in Google Classroom. There's also a video about that, but you will be looking at your conceptual framework from EdRead 300 and be building on that this semester. So we're going to start by looking back at what you already know and believe and have experienced. The next assignment is the theoretical orientations of reading profile. This is going to give you an idea about some of those underlying beliefs you have about literacy that are always changing. So you will take this survey. There's a video here that describes in detail how to do that. You'll reflect on the results of that, and then you will share that on the Google Classroom assignment. And finally, there is the foundational literacy knowledge assessments. These are not necessarily due this week. Those must be completed and demonstrate mastery before you start your tutoring of students, which is the practicum for this course, and that is on June 1st. So there are 4 assessments there that will show your mastery of the foundational literacy knowledge that's going to be really important as you go out and tutor your students. So you need to demonstrate mastery there. There's a video that describes that in more detail here. And again, that is due June 1st. Everything else for EdRead 350 will always be due on the following Monday. So the module begins on Monday, May 11th. So the assignments for EdRead 350 are due on the next Monday by 9 a.m. when the next module begins. EdL and block tasks have different deadlines. Block tasks in EdL, which Dr. Shively will talk to you more about, are due on Friday at 9 a.m. So the course contract and the Getting to Know You Flipgrid are both due by 9 a.m. on Friday of this week. Again, take a look at the videos for the different assignments to provide you more detail about each of those. And if at any point you have questions, feel free to click this button right here to schedule an appointment with Dr. Sidner. It will take you to my calendar, and there you can sign up, and I'm happy to meet with you about anything at all that we need to discuss.